We are installing a new version of Mac.
What's it called?
Mac OSX
Tiger.
Tiger. So,
Looks like it's doing something. What did we have to do to get it to start from the CD? Did we have to hold down the C key? We didn't know that?
I don't know that.
Yeah.
We are starting a new adventure of Mac.
And this is copying. Looks like Nintendo games. Oh, something's happening.
My video's finally uploaded.
Ooh!
Mac OSX logo, yay!
It might work. Use English as main language. Ooh! Continue. Continue.
Does it install Minecraft on here?
Agree. I don't have the answer to that.
It doesn't know. Wait, don't run to my snake. Don't run to my snake.
Well, I don't have all those installed. I only have the one disc.
My new video is finally uploaded. It's called Opening to Men in Black 2 2002 DVD. So this is in charge. I didn't record an opening video at all on DVD, okay? That was really sad, but I just created one now. It's called, my first one is Opening to Men in Black 2 2002 DVD.
I love it. Do you love it? 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 There's a lot of stuff going on here today. Everything's on the iPad. And there's this HP Envy 27-inch Core i7. Okay, I see it. We've seen it already. Got some headphones and keyboard and mouse.
Are you there?
Do you like that computer you have over there?
Yeah.
The big?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and I like that one too. I have free computers.
Yep. And you have a laptop too, right?
One of them is a HP, and two of them are Macs.
They're old Macs, right?
Yeah.
What about that? What about that furry thing? Is that a computer? That's Nolly. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.